开始。
A space elevator. Don't let someday space travel could be as easy as pushing a button. In 1960, Russia and America were engaged in a space race and already sent the satellites into space using rockets. But Russian engineer Yuri Atrostanova was thinking a different way of sending things and people into space. Last year, he wrote an article titled "To the Cosmos by Electric Train." The article talked about a cable stretching from Earth to an object into the space. This idea was hard that could ascend a cable, much like an elevator. Once completed, this cable would be a part of the space elevator wouldn't need any rocket. How would it work? Over the last several decades, scientists have joined forces to bring the space elevator closer to reality. Current plans call for cars climbers to travel up and down a ribbon like a cable using electric motors. In one plane, motors are powered by lasers fired from a ground station to add solar cells on the climbers. In another plane, motors get powered from a combination of lasers and sunlight. Both ways would help the climbers to make their journey into space. Searching for a strong material, the space elevator would be built using current technology, with one exception. The ribbon required for the space elevator must be much stronger than steel and lightweight. It must act like a tether holding firmly to the earth, while fastened to an object floating in orbit. A possible breakthrough, the discovery of carbon nanotubes in 1991 was seen as a potential step toward developing the ribbon. Since carbon nanotubes are up to 100 times stronger than steel, they would make the ribbon strong enough in the theory, but they was extremely short. The longest measured in centimeters. Scientists are still working on combining these tiny tubes into longer strands, so producing a cable could reach the International Space Station. Space station is still in the realm of science fiction, but the wait will not be long. Japanese company Obayashi promises to build a space elevator by 2050, causing some of left in disbelief. But as Science fiction writer Arthur C. Clarke said the space elevator would be built about 10 years after everyone stopped laughing.
非常好，5分11秒。